Hey guys, welcome back to a part 2 update. Sorry. Today I got some update from Extreme and Pro. It was right here. And I got the update first, then you. So, let's get in. I wonder what it looks like. Alright, wait till let's see what update do we got. So, alright guys, so I know I got so many of them because I have the whole thing. See, got one. Hold on. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Come on. And there's a new update right there. I wonder what it's gonna be. No way. What is this? Guys, I've never seen this before. This one says the R-XWB50. That's an Airbus A350. A350. That has 900. Not an A50. Guys, I've never seen this before. It came from yesterday. Let's go to Flight Simulator. Let's go to here. Flying down to Miami. And make it to real simulator. And take off. So wait till it gets here. And hold on, I can't see. Guys, I've never seen this before. Look at it. It is incredible. Alright, hold on a second, guys, I can't see. Close those blinds. It's hard for me to see. There we go. Let's put it right here. Hold on. Alright, there it is. Hold on, let me see if I can get closer enough. There it is. Give me a second. And here it is. Hold on, why is it reading? Why is it not reading? Let me create a screen. Did it work? There it is. Let me clear the screen. Give me a second. There we go. Oh, there we go. There it is. A50. Alright, let's see. Turn this on. Let's see. Let's see. Well, that's amazing. Okay. Oh. Seems to be smoothly. Oop, 2. Hold on, I didn't see I can make it read in it. 100 knots. Oh, careful, careful, careful. That was close. I almost got it. It almost hit the back. There it goes. Get up. Flaps. This is amazing. Amazing aircraft. Look like it's flying well. So guy, this one's amazing. Oh, I need to be very careful. Alright guys, let me see I can do landing. Let me see I can do landing. Final landing. Gear. Slow down. Oh, careful. Guys, it's hard for me to do it without the camera on it. Come on, turn this way, turn this way. Come on, it's focusing, it's focusing. Let me see I can do a perfect landing without crashing. Right, 400 feet, a little too high. Oh, I better pull up, I can't see. A little windy. Wait, is it snowing? Yes. Oh, I can do this, fingers. Alright. Alright, alright. Yes! Yes, we done it. Yes. Oh, we did it. What amazing. Let's check on a replay. Whoa. Yes. Oh. Careful, 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 careful. Never seen a switch like that before. That's supposed to be an Airbus A350. It is, but I don't know why they call it like whatever they call. Alright, there's a plane right there. He's on the runway. Easy. Take it easy. Did we do it? Yep, we did a perfect landing. Yes, we did it. Yeah, guys, we did it. We did it. And look at this new aircraft. We did it. The aircraft is called the R-XWB50. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Well, that's at the end of the video. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification by turning on the bell. So, I'll see you guys into the next video. And we will see you next time. Goodbye.